Yeah, hey. No perfectionism, and we are coding towards the life of our dreams. But before that, we do 20 push ups to keep ourselves strong. Yeah, oh, yeah, hey. No time for the gym, just all the energy goes into coding. Yeah, hey, to get rich. Right now, the opportunity is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We could do so much more, but I'm only sleeping 6 hours each night. And my brain is not fried, but we are fresh and looking good and looking so good. Yeah, hey, let's go. Oh, thank you for providing the detailed overview. Based on your input, here's a summary of the steps we should follow and some clarification. In keeping one static build pack using NGINX, yes, the rest of the code can be safely deleted, as they are either broken or unnecessary. And we go ahead and do this, yahoo. First project, right? So financial success. Yeah, permanently delete. What? Has resources defined, yo. Financial success. Dude. Delete the resources, yo. They want the password. What is the password, yo? What is the password, yo? Yeah, what is the password of my Coolify account? Oh yeah, I know the password so easily. This will be deleted, yo, yay. Production, this will be deleted, yo. Delete the project. Delete the project, yo. Da 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 da. This is really high security stuff what we're doing in there. This is cool. Very nice, yeah. Yeah, cleaning up, yeah, hey. Actually, let's just keep it with that max. Just a few that were not working, yeah. Okay, so I've now deleted some of these projects that were marked red. I'm now left with 2 projects that are marked green that are successfully deployed. I'm not sure if I actually want to delete them because I actually may build upon them in later scenarios. But the ones where I believe were broken projects, I've certainly deleted them. Can you please tell me where in the logs I run what kind of command within Coolify so I can check the logs so that you can also tell me then how to then install Coolify on the server so that we can proceed. And I will then probably set up a new project on Coolify, but only after the cleanup and the installation, not before, right? Thank you. Oh, it is so easy. I have so much fun. I have so much fun doing everything that I can to make myself rich. Great job cleaning up the broken projects. Of course, man. Thank you for the encouragement. This is so great. Yeah, oh, I can easily figure all of this out. Yes, because I have great mentorship for all of the tech, Yahoo, Yahweh. Oh, Yahoo. We can focus on checking the logs to ensure everything's running smoothly, and then we proceed with the Coolify installation on the new server via the Coolify UI in the log section. Refresh, Yahoo, Yahoo. Each service or container, Yahoo, specific logs using Docker to access Coolify logs. Runs on Docker. You can use Docker commands to access logs at the system level. List all running containers. But where do I paste in this command, Yahoo? Where would I do this? In the terminal, Yahoo. is so easy, hey. It is so easy, oh, yeah, yeah, oh, hey. Hey, yeah, yeah, oh, hey. Hey, yeah, yeah, oh. Let's check the logs, let's check the logs, let's check the logs. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, hey. I'm effortlessly achieving, living the life of my dreams, providing solutions for businesses that make me rich. Yahoo, yahoo, it is so easy. Okay, now I've provided you the logs from the two Coolify terminals. I noticed that when I actually click into terminal, that I can select the container and then click connect. Would I need to do that in order to run commands within this container? And is this true that these containers are already Docker containers? So I've basically already run a Docker container without me realizing it, which is fantastic. So now I know already how to employ a Docker container and run that. Does that mean that all of the code from the GitHub repository has already been in a Docker container all along and now I'm just realizing it? And this is the way how I would deploy Docker containers in Coolify. Is that correct? Question mark. Yeah, so please clarify the next steps. This is very exciting. Thank you. Oh yeah, yeah. Why wouldn't it be so easy? Yeah, you're getting a solid grasp. Exactly, I am. Of course, because I am educating myself. Yes, you're correct. You go to the terminal tab. You can select click connect. Once connected, you can run commands inside that container. Just as you would with any Docker container via a standard terminal. Now I get it. And I really start to get this, man. It's freaking simple. I am chewing on sand. What's going on here? I've actually just deleted some erroneous files or projects within Coolify And can you guide me one more time how I now try it one more time to install on my server Coolify? I'm going to give you the logs as well for the two projects that I still have, if that's at all of interest to you and of help to you, so you can guide me install Coolify. And please also guide me with everything that we've just explained. Would I set up the project in Coolify first, or do I install Coolify first on the server and then we set up the Docker containers within Coolify? Which one? Thank you. Oh, I'm not chewing on the sand. I am not sure whether I truly understand, but I'm chewing on the sand. I truly understand, although I'm chewing on the sand. Yeah, oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Starting to get this now, man. I'm providing real value to people. Oh, I truly understand, although I'm chewing on the sand. Yahoo, Yahweh, Yahoo. Traffic, reverse proxy. I know what all of these terms mean. And my clients don't, and that's my value. Yahoo, that's my mode. I'm going forward. And I'm running in my boat, always on time. This is a super long chat. So just to understand, all of these commands you want me to run within the cloud server when I SSH into the server or within the terminals, the Docker container, which one? Question mark. Please give me the first two commands for the server. Thank you. Got it? That makes sense. That makes so much sense and so much fun. I'm having so much fun. I easily SSH into my server like a pro. I easily SSH into my server like a pro, like a pro. Oh yeah. I easily SSH into my server like a pro, like a pro. Open, and then I click root, and then it is already there. Look at the pro that I am. It looks like the Docker is getting some error, although before it clearly got successfully installed. Please double check that. Thank you. It is so easy. Yeah, it is so easy. Yeah, it is so easy. Yeah, oh. Yeah, it is so easy. And I'm getting this. That seemed to be all successful, apart from the last Docker Compose logs. Can you check that briefly? Thank you. Um, Oh yeah, I'm relying on my hand. I'm chewing on the sand. Yeah, it is so easy, Yahoo. Yeah, I don't think I cloned this correctly. Where do I know that I cloned the Coolify correctly? Where do I... Is this a GitHub repository that I'm cloning, or what am I cloning? It seems like the repository has been correctly cloned, but the file seems also to be there. Like, I've seen it, but there's still an error. Can you guide me from here? Thank you. Well, it says Postgres is there. What do you want me... Tell me the exact line that I need to modify here. Thank you. This is very interesting how the editing works within the server UI that I see here when I SSH into my server. I've never seen something like that. I believe I've messed something up with the code, and Control Z for restoring it doesn't seem to work. I'm going to give you right now the exact code like it is right now. I believe I've made some errors there already. And how do I just add a new line that just didn't work? It added a space way further up from where I was. Can you guide me through that? Thank you. Super interesting stuff. Wow. It's a whole new world, man. No, that does not work. Dude, what? Dude, that does not freaking work. Man. Wow. That's good that the changes apparently have not been saved, because I'm unable to restore the original code. Can I just close the whole document and SSH into my server once again? And how, would there be a way to just replace the entire code? Because when I click enter, it doesn't add a new line where the cursor is. It adds the line way above. Additionally, I can work around that, I guess, in opening the folder locally on my computer and changing the code there. Or is it just stored on the server? This is certainly very interesting. Please guide me step by step, because this is all very new to me. I just need to add this line apparently. And it's causing an interesting discovery journey here. Wow, man. The fact that it's hard, it's good. Incredible, man. I know for a fact that other people would just smack their fucking PC to pieces right now, man. But I won't, I will not even think like this. Man, this is interesting. Interesting. Okay, so I just talked to another AI model about fixing something within my server. It prompted me to open up the YAML file, and then I ran into some issues with using the Nano editor to edit the code right within the Docker file. But I just believe I just need to figure this out. So can you guide me how I just add the one line that it told me to? And first of all, tell me the command once again to just open the one file. And then tell me what I need to do to edit that so that the line appears at the place where I want it to appear, because it hasn't so far. Thank you. So please guide me just one step at a time, okay? Now the nano command doesn't even open the editor anymore. Please fix that, thank you. The nano editor had to be installed. Who knew? The nano editor. Who knew, man? It's beautiful, man. Ah, man, I know all of these tips and tricks, man. This is freaking just beautiful. I'm making money with this, man. I know it. Right after container coolify. I had to put some spaces in there, and there's also like a line break below the image and before the restart. Can you verify if that is okay? Thank you so much. And please give me also the meta explanation of what we're doing here. What's the docker compose.yml file and what is it good for? Tell me why it's amazing. Thank you. I'm getting rich with all of this, man. I know it. That makes a lot of sense. So just to take the time while we're in the field, I will not be using Postgres. I'll be using Qdrant for the vector database, N8N, and Llama. Will that need me to modify that file that we've been working on? If not, tell me how to save that so I can proceed with the installation of Coolify on my server, so that we can then go forward and create the Docker containers. Thank you so much. Clear pathway, man. I know exactly what I'm doing here and I will get rich with this. I know it. Ah, so easy. We get there. So as I said, I'm following this YouTube tutorial, and here are the GitHub repositories that he uses, but he runs this locally on his machine. I want to run it on a cloud server instead. So can I not potentially fork those repositories and just Dockerize them into a container and run them on the cloud instead? Because they can be run anywhere, in any environment, right, with Docker. So when he can run that on his local laptop, I can run that on a cloud server. Is that correct, question mark?